I hope you are all fine. This is Tanveer Hussain, an electrical engineering. So this is my first recording that I will upload on the YouTube. Basically, I am an electrical engineer and doing multiple projects related with that field. I am expert in MATLAB and other different softwares for circuit simulations and designing, etc. Uh, I am expert in which is my best skill, which is related with problem solving skill. Okay, so this is do here. This is the title defines that I have to know. We have to solve this problem: simulation and analysis of time series based short circuits faults in power distribution infrastructure. 11 kilowatt. Honestly, I don't know about anything. I just know the basic concepts and know how I will do this. I will uh, divide this problem into multiple milestones uh, and do this. I am just telling you that what is the main problem that we have to solve here. This is the method: traveling wave method, distance relay, and time domain analysis. We have to use these techniques to resolve for example, there is a 11 kilovolt distribution power, so we have to simulate in the MATLAB and find out the short circuit. Okay, in the initial simulation, what we have to do, we have to make a distribution line, then examine each line separately. We will make a distribution line. For example, this is the distribution line and contains multiple subsystems which contains RLC series based circuit or parallel based circuits, because in the distribution line it consists of uh, it contains resistance, inductance and capacitance, etc. Okay, so we have to draw this. So first of all, read this what we have to do now. Like in this pic, I rather divided into 4 more. First we examine 4 line parameters note separately, and then in final simulation develop an algorithm which will see at the start of distribution line rather than seeing on 4 places, then conclude from the data provided so that the fault has occurred in one of them. Then we have to use different sensors start of the distribution line to examine each distribution line impedance with respect to the distance, or examine RLC parameters before and after fault. We will make this distribution line and use different parameters. Like here we can use different sensors that will first measure the impedance or RLC parameters. For example, when is there any short circuit occurs. For example, when there is no short circuit, here the current is constant and voltage is 0. When short circuit occurs, current changes, current increase suddenly, and the parameters will change. So in this way we will detect the short circuit. Okay, so we will use these sensors and analyze the data, and we can see the waveforms as well before and after short circuit fault and see how magnetic field is changing. Yeah, changing in current produces magnetic field, which is the physics law. So in the final deliverables, what we have to do now? After first simulation, we develop an algorithm. When faults occur, it checks the parameters again and matches it one in them that fault has occurred, as we have the data of every line from our first simulation. Then what we have to do now? Reduce the number of sensors, use sensor at the start, and develop an algorithm with which checks the impedance, RLC parameters, see to which line is matching when the fault occurs in one line. Okay, so we will use this if any fault occur, and we have to tell this. Helping material user buyout cyber. So I know my communication skill is very less. It is my first video. I will upload projects related with electrical engineering that I have done in freelancing. I will upload there. I will upload here. Okay. So my week is not well. I was very sick in the past 2 weeks. Now my health is well. This project is needed to be done immediately. So I am just making videos so that other can also seek help. For example, if they stuck in any